Welcome guys, welcome. Today I will be baking some Jamaican black cake. You call it rum cake. Yeah, so just watch me bake. So I'm just creaming my sugar and my butter. So make sure your butter is at room temperature, so it is easier to manage when you're ready. So I got this on speed 2. And this is a 2-pound mixture. So what I have in this baking tin here is 2 pounds of butter and 2 pounds of sugar. Heat this until this becomes fluffy. So I'm just going to gradually up with the speed, and this is at speed 4. It's a whole lot of sugar. So you have to keep on scraping down the sugar and the butter from the side of the pan and let it stay in the bottom. And this part of the process is the longest to me and hardest, to mix out the butter and the sugar, because you have to get that good creamy mixture from this part of the cake. I'm going to use, as I said, it's a 2-pound mixture. So I'm going to use 2 pounds of raisin, or you can use 2 pounds and more. 2-pound raisin, 2-pound butter, 2-pound sugar, and I'm going to use 12 eggs. Yeah. My daughter is in the kitchen with me this morning. She's helping me cracking the eggs. And guys, remember to take out the high out of the egg. She will be whipping the eggs. You can use a whisk or you can use the fork instead. So she's just going to just beat it up first. And I'm going in with the lime zest. Put a small amount in it. And that cut away the rawness, and it also gives you a little bit of flavor to the cake itself. And you don't want to overbeat your eggs either. So I'm going to pour in my eggs, just a small amount at a time. They don't smell in the rawness to this butter, and that is lovely. You know, once when you're heating your cake, you're smelling this rawness from the egg. I'm going to blend my raisin. I'm just going to give it some chunks, so I don't want it to blend out too fine. You want when you're biting your cake, you can even taste some of the fruits in it. So I'm just going to check and see, and I think this is it. So I'm going to blend one more batch. At this time I'm going to pour in the rest of my raisin. Everything out the blender, don't leave anything. Coming back to you. So I'm going to mix the raisin into the egg. sugar and butter. Seems like I have to put this into a whole lot. So you see, my mixture is not too thin nor thick. You're gonna scrape everything from the side. Okay. So at this time I'm going to use some almond flavor. And some rose water. And you know, we Jamaicans, we do not measure. So I'm going in with some mixed spice. Mix all this together. And then I'm going to use some vanilla. Benjamin vanilla. You can throw this into your blender and wash it out. So you're gonna mix this together. And this is your butter, sugar and egg, and your soaked raisin with all your spices. Oh, and I almost forgot my rose and almond flavor. There. And I'm going in with some browning at this time, some braised browning. This is around half bottle of browning, but as when you put in your butter, no, not your butter, sorry, your flour, then you will see what color you want your cake to be. Some people like it dark and some like it brown, but I like it not too dark. So my dry ingredients, which is my flour, baking powder, cinnamon spice, and my salt, is already sieved. So I soon put it in. So you just want to mix this properly. Guys, my hands are killing me from all that mixing. So I'm going to put some red label wine in this. Yes, so my red label wine. I don't really put rum in it at this time. I think I should divide this mixture because this bowl is not big enough. I'm making a big batch of cake, so I need bigger containers next time. So this is the flour, baking powder, cinnamon, nutmeg, salt, and allspice. I'm gonna take time and mix this together.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
And my flour was sieved, so you get a lighter cake.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
Going in with some browning. And this is black cake, black Christmas cake. You don't want it too dark, but you want it dark enough. So if your butter is too thick, as I said, you can go in with some more red label wine, as I did.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
So I'm making around 10 cake today. My oven can hold 10 at once. So my oven is already preheated with my water bath. So I'm going to pour in mixture in the pans.
Although it's been said many times, many ways,
Yes, I think this is it. This is the amount. And this is going to rise.
So offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas. Christmas is all about. I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about. Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase.
said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
Look at that. Light and fluffy.
Chestnuts roasting.
I'm going to sprinkle some wine on the top of it.
Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase.
So I have some rain for rum and I'm going to mix it with some wine. And this is bulk wine.
Many times, many ways.
So I'm going to soak my cakes. So the rum and the wine will absorb into the cake.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
That's what Christmas is all about.